morning, everybody. Well, this week we're spending the week in Anchorage, Alaska. The 4Runner has needed a lot of work, and this has been a great time to do it. We are here at Total Truck, who have just been amazing. Total Truck's owned by Craig and Brooke, who also own Alaska Overlander, and their hospitality has just been phenomenal. They've got us in right away. They do try and help people that are on the road if they can squeeze them into the schedule quickly. So yesterday, Josh, who works for them, replaced the winch line that we broke last week when we were doing the rescue of that pickup truck camper. So we got a new worn winch line put in, but at the same time, we happened to notice, and I bought the truck with the winch and the front bumper on it a long time, back in 2018, and I never realized that the winch had been installed upside down. So we discovered that when we were replacing the winch line, so we they flipped the winch, we got that fixed, got it rewired correctly, and Josh did a great job spooling the new line onto the drum, and that's good to go. And today they're doing a much needed oil change on the 4Runner because it's been well over 5,000 miles since we left San Diego. We still have a long ways to go, so this is a great time to get that done. In addition, on Thursday, we've got to take the 4Runner into Toyota because I broke a CV joint in the right front last week. So I'm just going to replace both the CV joints and the axles at Toyota and let them take care of that. And there's a little bit of an issue with the main battery I want them to look at as well, since that's a Toyota battery I had put in about 6 months ago. So that's kind of the story for us for this week. We're staying at an Airbnb here in Anchorage, and we're just going to enjoy the town and look around a little bit, and we should be back on the road on Saturday. We look forward to seeing you when we get back on the road. We'll talk to you later, right here on Adventure Beyond 60.